Using Credit Karma Credit Builder is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Credit Karma Credit Builder. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google and there you have to search for Credit Karma Credit Builder. Let me just search for that. Credit Karma and then simply Credit Builder. Now, after searching for that, you have to, go to this link which is say Credit Builder for Credit Karma Money. And there you go, you will be at this page. Now here, if you scroll down, you will be able to find these things. First of all, open a Credit Karma Money Spend account. For that, you simply have to click on this. For that, you have to have a Credit Karma account and then select how much you want to contribute, and then you will start to see that your money will be going to your locked saving account, which you won't be able to withdraw instantly. So that's how you'll be able to save money. However, to make or sign up for Credit Builder, just click on this link and there you go. Log in with your details, and that's how you'll be able to sign up for Credit Builder from Credit Karma. Hope you guys find this video helpful.